Today, the topic of our video is Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms like Google integration into your GHL. So, Facebook and Instagram, etc., all can be integrated in GHL. They are very useful, and I will explain to you step by step how much useful they are. So, first of all, you will go to settings. Here is the integration option, and you will see here many platforms that you can integrate with your GHL. For now, we'll click on Google, and you can see you have to lead connector, and you will connect your account with it. You will give access to it, and simply you will connect it. Similarly, Facebook, you have to log in there, you have to give permissions to it, and it will connect it. So connection is very easy. It is not that much difficult. The basically purpose of this video was to introduce you what benefits that you will get from this integration. First of all, I will discuss every app separately. Facebook. You have if you have a Facebook business page, you run ads on it, and you have an ad account. If you connect your Facebook business page, your ad account to GHL, you can connect those and then you can connect that to your dashboards, your opportunities, your pipelines. Now, every opportunity that is created on your through your Facebook ads, through your Facebook page, every conversation that is there on your Facebook Messenger will be here. So you have a proper structuring, proper view of the clients or the leads that are being generated, the revenue that is being generated. Similarly, through Instagram, you can connect, you can give access to your DMs, your messages, and your ad campaigns. So what will that help you? If you connect your conversations, you will have proper pipelines, you have proper workflows, you have proper things that are connected to that. For example, someone message on your Instagram DM, it is connected to your GHL. The bot is activated on it, it will reply it, and the lead will be generated, and then pipeline will be adjusted, or you can say updated. So if the client is ready for appointment booking, the workflow will automatically be triggered, and the client will be moved through that workflow to the appointment booking, and then email, SMS, notification sector that you want to add on those workflows. Similarly, Google is very important. You can generate Google ad reports, you can generate Google ad campaigns, you can view everything that the conversions are being happening through your Google ads or campaigns through your dashboards in GHL. So these are some of the features that this offers you. So this is very important if you connect these platforms to your GHL. So I hope you understand some of the things that I mentioned here. Please like and subscribe to view more videos about GHL. Thank you.